Award recognizes is exceptional reporting on humanitarian issues. And some of the past winners have taken in the entire world and a lot of its most profound problems and issues. A Hindi documentary on the dowry system in India, Mandarin investigation into faulty blood screening for HIV/AIDS, and an English radio series on hunger and violence in South Sudan. So that brings me to my pleasure to announce the three winners here who provided an in-depth look to what is the worst humanitarian crisis in decades on the continent, which is severe food shortages. And food shortages that are in multiple countries and have multiple different causes, not all of them natural. And so it was a big challenge to get all the different aspects of what led to this problem and to show us what was going on. So the first person I'd like to invite, but there are no particular order, is Somali television executive producer uAbdul-ziz, Osman, who reported from a hospital in Somaliland and from internally displaced camps in Somalia, where more than 6 million people were facing acute food shortages, and this touching quote from a 13-year-old, and even the camels are dying. So, here it is. Thank you so much. This is for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Delivered original reporting on civilians displaced by Boko Haram and by hunger. So his photo galleries and videos got over 120,000 views just in the first 3 days. So I'd like to invite uNicolas up here. Fekadu, who curated all of VOA coverage on a special website and pulled together all the original reporting from the correspondents, from freelancers, radio, television, online, and created these wonderful interactive features. If you haven't seen them, you should go and look at them, that show the kinds of things that go into creating a famine: armed conflict, disease, drought, climate change, all kinds of different things. So, Salem, please.
Aziz and Nico, this is not the first time actually they made such reporting. We sent them about 2 years ago to cover the story of the migrants, to go to the Mediterranean, see the kind of suffering they go through. They talked about the Somali immigrants. Abdul-ziz actually went to Germany to talk to the woman who had delivery on the ship, the German ship, Sophia. And she named also her daughter Sophia. Abdul-ziz went up there. Nico also went there, brought enormous amount of material, content that was being used by news center, across the region, also by many languages. So this was the first time. Salim has become one of the most energetic writers in our division, versioning our content with added value. There's no doubt about that. She contributes a lot. So congratulations, I'm very happy also. You made me also get
Thanks to our three winners. Congratulations, Ngozi. Congratulations, Amanda, Sandy, and Caleb, for your exceptional leadership. And to all of you in the Africa Division, just know that we don't see one another as often as I like, but Yoruba gets me down as much as she can. But I'm just so proud of all of the work. The winners today, to me, represent what this division is all about and the commitment you have to telling great stories that matter and that help move the world to a better place.
Final ICowan Award. And the fact that it's given in the 75th anniversary year of the Voice of America is entirely appropriate. It's a shining tribute to the value of the Voice's teamwork in a multimedia world, and a special thanks to Salem, Abdul-ziz, and uNicolas for leading what I see as an extraordinary team. I also want to thank the ICowan family for establishing an award that has surely encouraged VOA's 11 winners of the award since 1994 to reach for the stars in creating humanitarian programming. I'm delighted as well to pay tribute to those in the News Center and its correspondents in East Africa, Geneva, London, Washington, and the UN for their contributions to hunger across Africa. How I wish it were possible today to estimate how many lives around the globe have been saved or will be because of your untiring commitment to the truth. Hunger across Africa is a landmark achievement by any measure. Kudos again for the skillfully coordinated video, radio, and online fare that we just witnessed, fare that you have generated these past few months. Considering that leaders around the world may well have been inspired by your journalism to help reduce hunger, you have reflected what Amanda called the highest ideals of VOA, and to the solid journalistic principles embodied in its charter of service to a curious world.